So firstly, in order to reduce time, I have written these topics already. So let's start. Today's topic is human endocrine system. As we know that our body has many biological systems, one of which is the human endocrine system. Now in human endocrine system, there are many tissues which produces hormones, and these tissues are located in different parts of the body. These tissue producing hormones are located in different parts of the body and are in endocrine system. So there are 8 endocrine glands in our body, namely first pituitary gland, second pineal gland, third thyroid gland, fourth adrenal gland, fifth pancreas gland, sixth parathyroid gland, seventh thymus gland, and eighth gonad gland. So we can remember these 8 names in very simple manner. Firstly, select the all P named glands. So we have 4 P named glands, that is pituitary, pineal, pancreas and parathyroid. So write here P to the power 4. Now select T named glands. So we have here 2 T named glands. So write T to the power 2, and remaining A adrenal gland and G for gonad gland. Then write A and G. It is the shortcut method to remember all these 8 names. Simply we can say that it is the trick to remember these names. Now here important point is that hormones are also produced by GIT, liver, heart and kidney. In addition to these glands, hormones are also produced by GIT. GIT is here gastrointestinal tract. So hormones is also produced by GIT, liver, heart and kidney. Now we will study hypothalamus. Now what are the features of hypothalamus? First feature is it is located in the brain. Second feature is it is the basal part of the diencephalon in forebrain. Third one, it regulates wide spectrum of the body functions, like it regulates body temperature, urge for eating and drinking. For example, when a person gets thirsty, then the signal for drinking comes from hypothalamus gland, and also the signal from hypothalamus gland for eating comes from hypothalamus gland. Also, it regulates emotional reactions like excitement, pleasure and fear, etc. For example, when some people gets the news of excitement, then he or she gets excited. When some people get the news of horror or horror news, then he or she gets feared. And pleasure is also regulated by hypothalamus gland, and many other functions are there which is regulated by hypothalamus gland. Now last one is the hypothalamus contains several group of neurosecretory cells which produces hormones, and hormone produced by hypothalamus gland regulates the secretion and synthesis of pituitary hormones. Now we will study what 2 types of hormones are produced from hypothalamus gland. Now hypothalamus releases 2 types of hormones. One is releasing hormone and one is inhibiting hormones. The function of releasing hormone is that it stimulates the secretion of pituitary hormones, and the function of inhibiting hormones is that it inhibits secretion of pituitary hormones. Now hypothalamus releases two types of hormones, that is, one is GnRH and second is somatostatin. GnRH full form is gonadotropin releasing hormone. Two types of hormones are released by hypothalamus, GnRH and somatostatin. Now then, what is the function of GnRH? It stimulates pituitary synthesis and release of gonadotropin. And function of somatostatin is it inhibits the release of growth hormone from pituitary. Now, one important point is here that hormones which is produced by hypothalamus passes through axon. The transport of hormones is carried by axon, and it is released by nerve endings. And where it reaches pituitary gland through portal circulatory system. And portal circulatory system plays an important role in the regulation of anterior pituitary gland. It plays important role in regulation of anterior pituitary gland. And second one is that posterior pituitary is under direct control of hypothalamus. So hope you understand. Thank you.